Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping tools and taking quick safety steps. Put on gloves, set a 10 mm socket ready, and fold the 60/40 seat back down so you can access anchors. Once done, remove headrests by pressing the release buttons and lifting straight up, and then reach under the front lip to find and pull the lower cushion release tabs. This exposes bolts and clips. Make sure to work methodically so clips don't break when you pry the cushion up. After the cushion is free, you'll see the mounting bolts. Use the 10 mm socket to remove them while preventing the socket from slipping. Once bolts are out, locate the seatbelt buckles and unbolt their anchors. You must disconnect these to lift the base without straining webbing. If there are seat occupancy sensors or heater connectors, depress the tab and unplug them so wiring won't snag. Make sure to set fasteners aside in order. This avoids confusion at reinstallation. Now free the seat back by releasing the top latches or bolts and pulling the back upward to clear the lower hinge. You should lift the seat back out at an angle, guiding any seat belt or trim through the opening so nothing snags. 2 people help for heavier models. Once out, inspect clips and anchors and store bolts in a labeled bag. If the cushion won't seat on reinstall, check for a stuck clip or misplaced bolt. Replacing a broken clip usually solves fitment problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.